Is it really you? It is you. Come on, baby. You and I will walk out of this horror show the way we walked into it, with dignity and aplomb. My house.
You just missed the fire.
What happened to my house?
Oh, some knucklehead left a casserole in the oven.
Aw, don't worry, Squidward. You're more than welcome to stay at my house until you get your house fixed.
Yes, I love another spout of tea, Mr. Vacuum Cleaner. Jefferson casserole.
Squidward? You okay? Squidward?